What is that? What is that? What is that? What is this? What is this? What is that? What is this? What is all this? Well, I've begun to make this stuff, and, well, now I'm about to fight the King Slime with it, because that's pretty much the only thing I can do. I'm gonna wait for nighttime, and I'm gonna fight some more things with this because this is kind of fun. Hold on. This is a terrible idea. I have no idea if this audio sounds good. I just got new headphones, new mic. This probably sounds terrible, but I'll figure it out later. Oh, I did not realize that actually used health. Oh. I nearly killed myself. Okay, oops. That was my first time using a Rod of Discord. I seriously did not expect it to use life as a source of... Oh. Let's see, super healing. Let's get some super healing. Mana? No, we're not using mana. Well, you know what? Since this is practically what the sword is supposed to do, I'm going to use this one. Well, since it's now nighttime, let's see. This first off. Then, let's get to it. Alright. Boop. Done. Next one. This one's going to kill everyone. Okay. Well, I didn't expect that one. Okay. This is a terrible idea, me. I should probably spawn my minions. Hold on. Okay. I'm getting hurt everywhere. Ow. Okay. Help. I still have potion sickness. Help. Collect hearts to regain health. It's that simple. Yep, someone's dead. Okay. This was not a good idea. I'm gonna have to go against Moonlord with this. Oh man, I got a boosted damage on this thing. Woo! Heal. It's like I'm doing nothing to this thing. Actually, wait, no, never mind. It's almost dead. There we go. Yes. Alright. Oh, shoot. How many people did... Oh. I killed 4 people with that. Oops. Well, that's probably the hardest mechanical boss with melee only, so... I guess we're good there. Oops. Okay. Which one next? Let's go Skeletron Prime. Let's go. Bring it. Ah, so this one can have its defense reduced. Awesome. Keep in mind this is all in normal mode right now. Oh shoot, that's not good. Okay, get out. Get out now. Heal. Okay. Yeah. Whew, okay. Yeah, I love this guy. I just do. He's awesome. Oh, gotta get that. Okay. So next is the twins. Well, I'm gonna wait till I heal up completely. I could have set this up way better, but I didn't. So, yeah. I love how I made this mask. This thing is perfect. I just there's nothing that could be more perfect. I love it. Okay. Fully healed, and there goes potion sickness. So I almost okay. Let's go. Twins. Okay. This is going to be impossible. It's going to be only my minions that are doing the things. Quickly, take it out while it still stands. Heal. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay, it's going berserk. Yes. Okay. This is going to be impossible. What was I thinking? How much does a Terrarian do, anyways? How much does a Terrarian do? Hold on. Let's see. Swords. Hard mode swords. Saber. What is the sword that does the most amount of damage in the game? Because I truly do not know. Where's the Terrarian? Oh. Huh. 110. Oh, well, I found one that does 200. I definitely should increase the amount of damage on this sword then, which is also 200. I thought the most was like 100 something, but I didn't know it was actually 200. What, is there no Terrarian in here? Hold on, where? Also, this weapon is amazing. Where's the Terrarian? Not the Terrarian, the thinking, have I been calling it the Terrarian this entire time? It's the why can't I remember the name of it? The Terrorblade. Wow, that took way too long. Okay. Yeah, where is it? Shouldn't it be here? Oh, here it is. Oh, wow, that's less than 100. Huh, but it shoots blades, so that's cool. I did not expect there to be a 200... And it... and it shoots things? Well, I've got my work ahead of me, because this thing is worthless. Okay. I'm about to do this. This is going to be an absolute nightmare. No, it's not working. Because it's not hard mode. Oh. I have to defeat the wall of flesh before I can actually do this. Oh. Well. That sucks. I can't fight Golem. because it doesn't have the stinking spawner in it. It has all the cells, but no thing. I can't figure out what it's called. Let's see, where do I put this back? Duke Fish Run, Marsh Madness, Solar Eclipse. Here we go. Just put that back. Yeah. Alright, well, that's pretty much it. I'm definitely going to boost this to like 300 damage, or 400, because I want to. But this thing is definitely going to be more powerful, trust me. So, yeah, that's about it. But, yeah, I still flip this thing off. Alright, bye.